Post-Maurya, the Satavahana Dynasty. The Satavahana Dynasty, also known as the Andhra Dynasty, was an ancient Indian dynasty that ruled a major part of the Indian subcontinent from around 230 BCE to 220 CE. The Satavahanas had their capital in various locations, including Amaravati and Pratishthana, modern-day Paithan. Here are some key aspects of the Satavahana dynasty. Origins and rise to power. The exact origins of the Satavahana dynasty are still debated among historians. They were initially a vassal dynasty under the Mauryan Empire, but they gained independence following the decline of Mauryan power. Simuka, the founder of the dynasty, is believed to have established the Satavahana rule in the Deccan region. Extent of the empire. The Satavahanas ruled over a vast territory, encompassing present-day Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, parts of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and northern Tamil Nadu. They had a decentralized administrative system and allowed significant regional autonomy to local rulers and governors. Patronage of Buddhism and Hinduism. Satavahanas were known for their patronage of both Buddhism and Hinduism. They supported the construction of Buddhist stupas, viharas, and chaitya halls. At the same time, they also encouraged Hindu religious practices and patronized Brahmanical temples. Trade and economy. The Satavahana period witnessed significant economic prosperity, mainly driven by trade. They had access to important trade routes that connected the east and west coasts of India, facilitating commerce with regions like the Roman Empire and Southeast Asia. The Satavahanas minted their own coins, which played a crucial role in facilitating trade and economic transactions. Art and architecture. Satavahanas made notable contributions to art and architecture. They were known for their patronage of cave temples and rock-cut architecture. The Ajanta caves in Maharashtra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, contain exquisite Buddhist murals and sculptures dating back to the Satavahana period. Amaravati, with its Buddhist stupa adorned with intricate carvings, was another important center of Satavahana art. Literature and language. Satavahanas played a significant role in the development of early Telugu literature. Kahana Shatkarni, a Satavahana king, is believed to have authored the Gatha Saptasti, a collection of poems written in Prakrit. Sanskrit literature also flourished during this period, with scholars producing important works in various fields. Decline and successor states. The Satavahana dynasty gradually declined in the 3rd century CE due to internal conflicts, foreign invasions, and the rise of other regional powers. After their decline, the region witnessed the emergence of successor states and dynasties, such as the Ikshvakus and the Vaktakas, who inherited the legacy of the Satavahanas. The Satavahana dynasty left a significant impact on the cultural, artistic, and political landscape of ancient India. Their patronage of Buddhism, Hinduism, and the arts helped foster a rich and diverse cultural heritage in the Deccan region. The Satavahanas played a crucial role in facilitating trade and exchange with other regions, contributing to the overall economic growth of ancient India.